Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins here from our YouTube VectorVest channel. And today I've got two more low dollar, high potential stocks that you may be able to take advantage of. One of them is ticker symbol Takeoff, Takof, which is a drone company. Good news, it just happened for them today. And the second company is called Hello Pal, which looks at mobile apps for traveling, and twofold, they're also getting into cryptocurrency. So if you want to find out what I found out about these stocks, you sit right there. Hey everybody, Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Always love to bring these videos to your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that when new content comes out, you'll be alerted. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. Let's get right into it. So the first story is on a company called Drone Delivery Canada Corporation, ticker symbol Takeoff. Now, a couple of these stocks, or both of these stocks, are more Reddit move stocks, but there is some news behind them of why I like them, and you could be getting in on the ground floor, possibly on these stocks. Drone Delivery Canada designs, develops, and implements commercial logistics drone services internationally. Who doesn't like a drone? I've actually owned 3 drones myself. The company's value stems from the fact that its industry focus is on both software and hardware. Strong verticals enable them to maximize synergies whilst diversifying their business. Now, I talked a little bit about when it was founded. Drone Delivery Canada doubled their $200,000 initial recognized revenue to $400,000 in the first quarter of 2021. That should catch your attention automatically, which saw the stock gain roughly 43% year to date. Now, analysts expect the company to recognize its further $2.8 million in revenue for the rest of the year due to various letters of intent materializing, which were agreed upon in 2020. This is a cool point. The company has a debt-to-equity ratio of only 1-to-1, or 1.1%. The fact that they've started recognizing revenue on their income statement will enable them to leverage their balance sheet and allow them to expand operations. If a company is making money, it puts money in their pockets to be able to look at our research and development, hiring people, programmers, all of that stuff. So that's a good point. So now let me tell you about the good news that just happened today. How about this? In Toronto, Drone Delivery Canada is pleased to announce that it has become the first publicly traded drone delivery company to be granted a domestic cargo license under the Canada Transportation Act. How cool is that? So not only are they flying their drones, they now have license, like you would for an airline, to fly these drones. So that was the information that I found out about them, and I like this news could really jumpstart and push this stock's price higher. Now, the second stock, also a Reddit stock, is called Hello Pal. Perhaps one of the best Reddit penny stocks to gamble on with Dogecoin. So it's a couple of different things here, prices in mind, is Hello Pal. However, its connection to the almighty Doge is far from straightforward. You're going to understand that in a second. Hello Pal is a Canadian company that primarily specializes in mobile apps. It features the Hello Pal platform, a collection of social-focused applications that are all about travel, language, and interaction. So interaction, talking to people, being able to learn more about people, I think that that's a great app in itself. Essentially, the company wants these apps to promote global tolerance and help travelers connect with each other no matter what language they speak. So how many times have you gone to a country, you want to go to the country, you've gone to the country, you try to talk to somebody, and then we have the language barrier. This helps with the language barrier. How cool is that? Now, it's also getting one step closer towards Dogecoin, however. Hello Pal also offers a digital wallet as part of its platform. This enables users to hold and transfer cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the big ones in crypto, right? The company has its own blockchain utility token called Paltos. These tokens exist within the digital wallet and can be given as gifts or exchanged for services. Now, there's something else that connects Hello Pal even closer to Doge, though. In March 2021, Hello Pal announced that it had acquired a stake in Dogecoin and Litecoin mining facility. User interest was so strong the company's website crashed. Later in April, HelloPal signed a definitive purchase agreement for an initial 51% interest in 12,500 mining rigs, all right, like Riot and Mara, dedicated to mining Dogecoin and Litecoin. Now, here's the other side of that. Here's the other part. HelloPal announces an update on CryptoPal app and current mining operations. So they're not only getting into crypto, they're mining their own crypto. They have their own coin, all tied into this mobile app for international travel. It is a kind of good two-piece part to make this company look attractive to investors. Provider of rapidly growing international live streaming, language learning, and social crypto platform is pleased to provide an update on a much anticipated CryptoPal app and its Litecoin and Dogecoin mining operations. So that's what the story talks about. So I gave some insight as to what they're doing from the crypto side, but the crux of their business is on the mobile app for international travel. All right, so I like that a couple of different ways right there. Let's get into the software, and let's go take a look at the stocks in the VectorVest software. Oh, where's my mouse? There we go, and boom. So let's take a look. The two stocks on the down day today, both of these stocks are moving up today. That's also a good sign. If we look at the price on Takeoff or drone delivery, it's trading at $1.05 with a value of 17 cents. This stock is grossly overvalued, but having that license, being able to spread out internationally, they're going to have to get licenses all over the place like they have in Canada, but that may come along. Now, relative value, the upside potential in the stock, not there yet. Relative safety, not there yet. But the stock is in an uptrend because RT is above the value of 1. Something else here. What do we know about every company? Well, earnings drives the company higher, right? Look at the earnings per share. They're down a penny with an earnings growth rate of 38 cents, which means that negative earnings per share will not remain there for very long. Now, when we look at HelloPal, all right, we have trading at 58 cents with a value of $1.32. This stock is undervalued as a low dollar stock. All right, upside potential. This stock has the potential to outperform a AAA corporate bond by 23% over the next 1 to 3 years. That's got some good upside potential. Now, the safety is there. You're going to give up the safety. This is more of an aggressive stock. This is more of a speculative stock. So they're both low dollars, but one is more of a speculative play that you get in, make your money and get out, where HelloPal has got some good upside potential as that app stepping into crypto. Again, the two-sided trade there. Looking at the earnings growth rate at 36% per year. Both of these have great double digits earnings growth, and HelloPal actually has an earnings per share that's positive. So as I look at this, I said, well, they're low dollar. Let's go look at their average volume. How about both of these stocks trade over 100,000 shares? Average. All right, for a low dollar stock, that's not half bad. And HelloPal is trading like 500,000 shares. Takeoff is trading at 143,000 average volume. Today, it's trading above its volume. Takeoff is really taken off today. Way up over its volume. And today, HelloPal is under its average volume, but still at 260,000 shares today. Look at the market share or market cap, 234 million on the drone company, 96 million on HelloPal, and these are the two industries that they're in. So one last thing, let's graph them. Let's take a look at them. Now, remember, the Takeoff is more of a speculative play. So let's go time this. You're looking at, wow, nice up day today on the stock. The stock from this low is trending higher. I like that. I'd like to see it stay above that trend line. The 3 and the 8 are positive. And for this trade, because it's a little bit more speculative, I would definitely play the 3-8 crossover. 3-8 exponential crossover. Big up day today, but where did it stop? Right at resistance of about $1.08. And let's go see if the news with the license can help to push that stock past that price. Good above average volume. That news today really pushing the stock's price higher. The earnings per share is negative by 1 penny, right? Relative, where's earnings per share down by 1 penny, but look at the bounce up. It's moving higher, and look at the earnings growth. Let's look at the second stock now. Now, Hello Pal has got the good upside potential. This stock has been beaten down like nobody's business. I do like that the stock was basing. The 3 and the 8 just crossed. Would really love to see the stock take out that downtrend, and the stock's got some good upside potential to this 3-month high of about $1.42, trading at 58 cents right now. But look at the earnings per share, definitely stair-step effect. Look at the earnings growth rate still growing. I think there's a lot of positivity behind it, and entering into the ability to have its own coin that they can transfer between people, give out, and whole 9 yards. It makes it look very attractive to investors. So today, those are my 2 low dollar, high potential stocks. You could be getting in early on them, but I would keep my eyes on them. Definitely keep them in a watch list and look for those opportunities with the 3 and the 8 and breaking above that level of resistance. So folks, today, this video is over. Until the next time, see ya.